Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills District kum Shibanta ban penkerpang ya kejingle burom dap nyopusan snem kejingyo lailut keri India ni Independence Day menta ka kanti kala shim ban Pynlong ya katayo lekmen lek burom kerpang ya ka balatip kum ka 75th Independence Day week celebration arhajar arpuwai ya kani katayo lekmen jong ka Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills District kaban sedang nadu ka khat artarik bat penkut ha ka khat riu tarik nailar lawan ban pli perda menta kasngi da oba W Lengdo Joint State Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides State Headquarter Shillong kum ukongsan harangkat kajingedon lang ka Saramai Tariang District Commissioner Guides West Jaiñtia Hills kabalong kum ka Shongkonor jong ka jingyalang u ohi wat lalu District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills u adiam Yub to Joint District Secretary Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides West Jaiñtia Hills Batki Scouts Master and Guides Captain hak jingalang balangkot jongkani kasngi layo ka jingkren majpang halor kani katayo lekmen da u adiam u badai u Joint District Secretary baru ka jingkren Aiman Sim hak jingadai bat kasngi kerpang jongkari India nakal lami sakani dekar Guide Captain Lesser Pulse Secondary School Mukla bat haba penkut u Elvis Dakar District Organizer Scouts West Jaiñtia Hills ula pasat ki kentin ai kublai.
We will share what forefathers had already taught us at the begin this, because they have spared their life, sacrificed their life in order to get independence. This is out of love, out of bravery. They have already taken this footstep in order to get our independence.
So on this day, even though today it's not Independence Day, the starting of Independence Day, and also it was the 12th of August 2021. So on this day, the youth of India should feel the special pride of being a citizen of a free nation. So as for me, freedom is something that money can't buy. Money can't buy. If there was no freedom, how could people live freely? Isn't it? So it is a result of struggles of many brave hearts. Due to this brave heart, our bravery, because of them, we got this Independence Day in the year 1947. Until now, we Indians, we are living freely.
75 years celebration of our Indian Union. Before that, we are under the bondage of the British people. So, 15 August 1947 is free for us. That is the reason why we are here today. Free of education, free of everything, in respect of scouting and guiding. So, regarding freedom, let us divert our mind to our association, because we are all involved in the association. We as the member voluntarily sharing to others to contribute something. Let me remind us, contribution towards education. It is our duty bound as the scout, as the guide, to contribute toward education. Now, during pandemic, especially the young boys and girls, they are neglecting education. Most of the boys and girls, especially in the rural areas, parents utilize them in the paddy field and whatnot. So it is our duty to contribute something, that education should be there. Otherwise, it will come stagnant. Education will not move. We know that education starts from early, from birth till death. So if we left behind the young boys and girls without mentioning, without contributing, motivate them, education in any sphere which we can do in our level best.